Welcome back to our Laurel Creek project. This is episode 2. On our first episode, if you haven't checked that out, go back and watch it because we talk about all of our inspiration for this project, fabrics, wallpapers, finishes, tiles. But today we're gonna walk you through so you can see all of the progress we've made, all of the construction. We're getting really close to being finished with this and we're excited to show it to you. We were brought into this project when framing had already begun. So it was a little bit of a tricky spot because we had to really dive deep and get a feel for what the client wanted. And we also had a lot of things changes that we needed to make that we felt like we could improve upon. There was a lot of framing situations that we cleaned up. One of them was this entryway, which is amazing.
A few things we had to work with that were existing. Yeah, we really just took that and then made it her style, which turned out to be, a lot of traditional elements, but we also have an eclectic flair.
It's eclectic. It feels a little bit European in the style.
Yeah, I think that's a really good description.
But a lot of pattern on pattern, lots of fun colors.
Yeah.
And a ton of detail. We have a ton of gorgeous millwork in this house. Yeah. And beautiful hinges and gold inlay in the wood floors.
More detail than any other house
so detailed
you'd ever see.
And very complicated to build.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be amazing. We're so close. Finish.
So this will have drapery.
Yes.
And then we have the art. So we're good with that wallpaper in here.
Yes, that one's done. Trapdoor's being used right now, I guess.
Someone's in there.
Yeah, it's gonna have to go here. Is that too awkward? Okay, they're sitting on the toilet.
You can't put it here?
No, I know. I'm just saying you don't want it there, right?
No.
Yeah, it's gotta go here.
It has to go there.
I mean, we could put it.
No! You're not cutting into that. I don't know, right here.
Probably to be centered in this space so that you're not having to go right here.
For sure.
So centered between the toilet and the casing and do it at 28.
Yeah.
28.
In the center, yeah. We're installing in a few weeks, so we don't want to give too much away, but we did want to show you some of our favorite spaces and give you a little sneak peek. So we're in the living room, which is one of our most favorite places.
We're really excited about this space.
Our favorite paint color, we're obsessed with this.
Which is actually called the gray color, but it is not. It's this beautiful, muted, kind of a celadon green. And it feels almost a little bit historic. And we love this. This is the room that we talked about, that we wanted a different layout, not your traditional sofa with a TV. There's not even a TV in this room. So we felt we could really take the opportunity to be creative. I kind of was drawing on a more historical type of an arrangement, like a drawing room or something.
Kind of southern.
Yeah, kind of southern, charming, places where you can have a lot of different little areas to sit and congregate instead of just one sofa focused on a TV.
This room's gonna have a lot of color, a lot of pattern, and
it's a lot of layers. We have our beautiful, this brass inlay detail that we added in here in the wood, which is just, I'm obsessed with it. We have a gorgeous marble mantle.
Big mirror is gonna go here.
And I love how we did these pieces. These are built-in cabinetry, but they look very recessed. So we brought the wall out so that we could have these look recessed, which again, I think feels kind of historic.
I was just gonna say, this is something you would see in a more historical home that's part of the existing structure. So I think it gives that feel, which is what we really like.
I just wanted to feel collected. That looks great.
Yeah.
Are there issues with the backsplash still?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It looks pretty, and this looks so good. Look at that, that's crazy.
Does it not look like a master bed?
Yes, this is massive.
Oh
yeah, that's a chandelier.
Yeah.
Eee! I can't wait to see all the other lights, those look great.
What do we think on the height?
I think that looks really good. Don't you, Laura? Would you want them down at all? I just think I think it's good.
Yeah, I like it. The colors, this.
They're perfect.
We went through so much detail on all of these.
We did.
That is perfect.
We are standing in the kitchen, and this has to be the jewel of this home. This kitchen, half of it came from Florence, Italy. And we worked with a company called Officine Gullo. They're amazing. And we did this custom design cabinetry that integrates with the range. And it is so gorgeous.
And the fridge.
We have like this gorgeous, gorgeous brass backsplash. And look how pretty this is. These are up because nobody can look or breathe or touch on these until we are totally done. But we are so excited. We integrated it with our beautiful Cristallo slab. I love how this hood just makes us feel so big and like stately. And you can see like how like our fridge and freezer, it's all like one big unit. It's so gorgeous.
Everything was like very custom, made exactly to fit. And when we were picking this out, we actually flew out to their showroom.
Yep. To LA, not Florence.
Yeah, to see this in person and to work with them and go through every detail, every drawer insert, every color for the inside of the cabinet, the outside of the cabinet.
Hinges, some of them have like appliance outlets inside,
it was every
lights
detail.
inside, and then we also have like the beautiful kitchen, like faucets, and the sink are also from Officine too. So those tie in to this wall. And then the rest of the cabinetry we had done by local craftsmen because we still wanted to have the softness of wood, even though this is metal. But it's so unbelievable. And we cannot wait till this is all completely unveiled. You're going to die.
How did they do that?
He's brilliant. Check out our vent.
You can't even see it.
You literally can't even see
You
it.
cannot see it. I'm so impressed.
Okay, I'm excited about this one. This is the guest house.
Carpets in.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. You're like a magician with those vents.
It looks so good. You did an amazing job.
This is so fun. I love this paper. And I love it with the carpet.
I do too.
It's kind of crazy, but I love it.
I love the pattern on pattern. Okay. It's not very sturdy. Jennifer, I think left because then you won't see it. What do you think?
Yes, left.
So how far off the wall is that?
36.
3 feet, yeah. So let's just make sure it works all the same in there, but that's further out. No, that can't be right.
I don't think it can be
Because the toilet's the same and the wall's the same. Just feels like it because it's further away maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, so just do the
You
same.
want to go like 34 or 32?
I mean, I almost think, yeah, like, it just feels so far away. Let's do 32. We're in another space that we love.
It's the Butlers Pantry.
This is the Butlers Pantry. We love this space. We're super excited about the color drenching that's going on in here. You can see that even the cabinets kind of tie in with the slab. All that same tone.
We started with the slab. This slab was one that the client had already purchased. She loved it and it is beautiful.
Yeah.
So we used that as inspiration. It kickstarted this whole room.
Yeah.
Like we have the cabinets, the whole ceiling, the doors, everything is color drenched in this. It's called Pigeon by Farrow & Ball.
Yeah, I think it's pigeon.
And it's just, but it still has that really pretty sagey green, just slight with a little bit of gray to it. It's
I
so
hope
lovely.
you can see the green on camera because it's such a pretty color. But the ceiling is also, I think, one of our favorite parts. This detail where we had all of this done specifically for the lighting plan that we had. So
yeah,
you can see.
we wanted it just to be so fun. And we have a really big surprise coming. But we're not going to tell you what it is, but it's going to be really, really unique and really fun in this room. So you have to come back and see the final.
Next episode will show you.
Yeah, it's going to be really fun. Can we center? Or is that just too awkward? It looks the best.
I know, but it's so far back. Maybe just a little bit further back so it doesn't cover that. Yeah, like that. What about these two hooks?
Oh, yeah.
2 side by side? I mean, that's kind of tight. But we have 2.
It's nice to have them.
It is nice to have them closer. Okay, we're now standing in the master suite, and the star of this room by far and large is this gorgeous wallpaper. This is hand painted de Gournay wallpaper, and it is so absolutely stunning. It's on this metallic background, and it just, when the light hits it, it is just like unbelievable. And when we get all the rest of the furniture in, it's just gonna add more and more layers to this room.
It's really acting as art in this space. I mean, this is hand painted, and I think the panels just decorate this room in a way that we could not have done with anything else but this.
Well, and we chose to not do it like a regular wallpaper. We chose to actually make it look like framed art in here. So it does, it acts as our art, and it's unbelievable. We're super excited about it.
And I think another detail that we love in here is the floor. We have, you know, our wood flooring, but instead of just typical layout throughout, we have this really pretty border. So you can see kind of the stacks.
And it creates a rug.
Exactly. Beautiful rug. And over here, when we get to the fireplace, I love seeing the marble flush with the wood. And you have no raised hearth. It's just smooth. It's beautiful. Coming on the tour with us today, you guys. We're really excited to have you, and we're excited for next episode when we have the furniture install, our favorite part. Subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more fun projects coming up.